You subscribe yet?
Fresco.
Ready, Bobby?
No, so you may come links in out of lane.
Say what? What me do? This one serious.
Why? When you forget one money, from the little work I do longer Mr. John longer so. But it's like he tell me say wait till next week. You understand? Because of the whole the whole mash up business are going already and thing, but me have one little thing for start out in the day and the evening. But in the dust up now it's 7 o'clock. So I don't know if you could lend more $10,000 so I can start my business and then I can carry back the money come give you later on. No, when Mr. John start me out with the money.
Why, Bobby? Why, Bobby, boy, I don't know. Oh, serious ask that still, you know. Because, wait, we don't normally have money, Bobby, we don't understand where you really, where you say? Me? No, man, we don't think that's right, Bobby, we could do that.
Risco, listen me I say no man. You see, me not like to beg, me don't know how to beg, me don't know how to borrow neither. But me have a situation I have to deal with today. And because me down a yard and enough things arise, and me have to just say, me go start or me start out. He's a man who me know say, you don't really spend money that regular. You not to buy groceries in your house and then sitting there. So at the end of the day, me know say, like you went to do the work down and Mr. Johnson pay you first. So me I say if you can just lend me that money there so me can actually start up my business and then by Mr. John start me out Sunday, Monday, you get your money back.
Mr. John, I ain't farmer.
I no matter in farm, but
So you mean then how him to tell you that?
and
But that is my business and then what, me not have things to deal with too.
so me and a friend.
Yeah, but me have picnic for feed too. Remember me do 2 DNA testing and I'm not sure if I which way to third yet, you know.
But the thing is, you know son of you put them, Briscoe. You know son of you
Even though them white, it still can't look, sitting can't happen.
Briscoe. Them they pitting they ain't hear enough like come on Briscoe.
So we not have enough hair on my face too.
Them not no hair on their face. And girl pitting not supposed to have hair on their face. You know what I say? So Briscoe, I've been real. Maybe God send me to come raise with them, make you understand, say, if you have sense. And if you pitting them, just stop going like you want to send money go down there, so, and make people use you. You have to
Nah, use me generals. But watch you know, man. You see the night, remember the night when they talk me, you know. I mean, no, so me feel it, you know, me feel when they two pitting left my back. Me feel it, you can't say that. Right now, I have to put them on focus, I have to make sure, say, make save them look money at the card. I should give them that thing. We're going to come into play right now.
You see him there when you're running belly. You see him there when you're running belly and you call me, I have to carry to the hospital. That's the
You see that's the pregnant feeling that you know. Yes, you see what them call a feeling and the pregnant feeling that me have. And somebody I forgot a doctor. So I saw the baby man in that people.
Alright, Briscoe, let me ask. Tell me money every month.
But you know, I'm gonna be honest. You see, pick of them thing. I say you nah let me money. No man.
Alright,
Me
Briscoe.
the hear a thing one time say one time then they lend you money one time. And I want go shop.
This me like, yo, Briscoe, in a my lane, I don't expect disrespect from my friend them, but obviously I'm a friend. That disrespect, I disrespect me. Eh?
I don't disrespect.
Disrespect, I disrespect me.
But you take the money go shop. Me think say you say you want the money for go buy food and everything then.
You know my business? Yo, leave my business alone. You don't help me, that's fine. Look at Bush.
Yo,
Where go on, bro?
where are you? Which please do you, sir?
Boy, I'm still you where go on. So, yo, it's like, I have a thing to start out in the evening. But, I don't know if you have money can lend me.
No, sir, I don't have no money, brother. No money, brother.
Look at Bush. You know your style, you know.
What
He's
kind
a
of
man-
style?
He's a man who really and truly.
Brother,
You don't really like lend money, me understand that, but the reason what me want if you spend on right now, you go understand us. Because I want, you know, I think woman there yard now and treat me too good.
brother, you know give back money. Hold on, what you say?
Yeah.
What you say? Your woman or what?
Nah, treat me too good. Nah, open up. Nah, you know, I'm tired for a beg and sitting there. And you know, say, you know, vibes are going on.
That style, me know, cause you know my little style, me know.
No, man.
Yeah, me see it, you know. You see you? Look at Bush, that's good, man. Go on in your yard.
No, man, you can't go on my yard.
What you mean you can't go? I do thing I come on, man.
I know it's a thing more link up, but I know so you know the location them. Yo, you remember one girl we tell boy one time? And so she saw you properly. Which part she there?
No, so a serious thing at pan.
Yeah, brother, I'm want to borrow a thing because you know so me go pay back, look at Bush.
I'm thinking about that, about me.
Brother, serious thing, I can't go come here right now. Yeah, can not go on. I'm going to go on lock shop. Three to 4 weeks now, not going on yard. I say I can't bother with that.
3 to 4 weeks, you gum up, man. You gum up, man.
So,
yeah, I love you, man. Why? We wish we could help you.
Give me number, man.
Eh?
Give me girl number, man.
The number. Alright. Me have you one now. I don't know. Me link with them, you know. So you one now. Me have one cool one there. One nice go and show them picture. One cool, see her.
You're that one, man. Slim and trim.
Yeah, man.
Look like just, yeah.
Look for that one. Other night, what that one of them.
Jesus, look how much.
You see you? How do you
No, sir.
Yo, you narrate me now.
I hear me say right now morning.
I know. So, alright, so you want this one number, the Indian one?
Just WhatsApp it to my phone.
WhatsApp it?
Yeah.
Alright,
You
hold on
understand?
now. Hold
So I
on.
can have it. Come my phone left down a yard. I go back a yard.
Hold on.
492.
No, man, I have a number.
What's
I have a number, man. Alright, so me selling there, but remember now, I love lending money, you know, Bobby. Cause the last time I lend money, I know I don't get it back, you know.
Brother, I'm say we went drink out it. So when you talk about get back now, remember say
What you say while ago? Member, say, me no feel like you're a member.
how you go then?
You're a member. You night in that bar. Me buy the first set. And you say lend me 1,000. And me lend you. So now use the word member. But you want know, I don't want I'll kill you. Cause you're my friend.
That me attack.
So you want to go on. And you want to go on. No want back my money.
Yeah, get it back, man. By Monday, my Monday week there, so.
Mark, you know, sir.
Listen to me now, man. You see, don't sit in the shop. Me go do some work. So me forget that money there. So by weekend, me supposed to get. I choose me to get the money, you know.
Listen,
And the man go pay me brethren before he pay me. Eh? How you do that? The man go pay Briscoe. Briscoe get money before me.
I'm not busy on Briscoe them. What me just want back my money when me give, sir. Alright.
look at Bush, I don't know, say, right now you do me a big favor, brother.
Boy, as me say, boy, I don't want I'll kill you. I last 5 grand me alone, you know.
Alright. Respect, man.
Go on. Listen what me I say now. How you go attack here now? Right? You have to not go like say you have money, you know.
No, I'm not going away, I'm not going
Don't.
suffer.
When you approach her, you call her. She dip on the front at night time, the right out side of Sandra bar. Yeah, she knew upon the block down there. Same time she come from. Right? So what you are gonna do now? You not go like you have money, you know. Right? You just calm. You understand?
Alright.
5 grand take care of everything. You understand?
No, you have to have a laugh.
No bother with it, man. No bother with it. Listen, yo.
Yo,
Feel like yo. No. Yo, look at Bush. Look at Bush. Yeah, answer me, see me. I'm not gonna come on, yeah, come on. Make sure we get the money, you know.
Yeah, man. Good evening. Me kind of want. So me, we want to like
Talk no man.
I may want to like cause them say you do the things them.
Do the what?
The money business.
The money business.
The money business.
Listen to me. Talk straight no man. A business you want?
Yeah.
How much money? Have you have money?
Yeah, man, I have some money.
Money.
But I go up on the place to talk. I'm really like.
No, but we have to get that over with right now.
No, me I said you have to understand.
No, but my business. I mean, tell you my business run.
I have the money, but me I said to you, I don't want to take it out here so make people say a business like that me I do, cause I don't know if people in LA know say that you do, but
everybody know.
Everybody know. Alright, so that make it worse. So Corridors, go for the go for the.
Say I have money.
You have money.
You sure?
Yes, me have
you
money.
You sure say I have money?
Yes.
I like broke man. No.
I know, no, I'm not broke.
You have to pay
me have a lot of
properly.
Yes, of course. So how much you talk about though? Like.
Well, enough of the money, the more fun it's gonna be. Set depending on how much money I have. Talk to me.
I'll go to make sure everything, and we just work it out.
So we can't agree from here, sir?
We agree.
Oh, you look like you don't know what you want, so.
No, it's not.
You nervous?
That me nervous. Me not really.
Why?
It's me not really supposed to do so now, cause me no want.
Stop. Look for me and me come to. But yeah, look everywhere. Look for me. Yeah.
No,
yeah? You don't know for the business. Give me eye contact. Look. Tell me straight what you want.
Me want something. So I don't know if we can go do it. Go,
yeah, walk come here, or we're gonna reach. Which way you want to go?
So can I go for your place, up in building better?
Come, go on.
You go for it.
Ladies
is for gentlemen.
Me know why you grab me, you know?
No, I'm not that kind of guy.
You still nervous? I mean, you alone there to say no.
It's not so nervous, but I want it so bad. So
just pay me, make we get it over with.
So we go to everything. Yeah, like you go move, you go turn on, go.
How much money you have? A joke you make?
A 5.
This cannot do anything. Come. I'm waste my time come because I know say enough people don't get away from me. You mean talk to him?
So how much you want? A 5,000 sign?
Listen to me. You get the information from good source, not you. And them tell us how much money for carry, not you. You really bring 5 grand? This can buy my juice. Come out of my house.
So much more for
you need more money.
Like much more, sir?
Tell me how much you have, and tell if it can work. As of right now, this can work. It can't work. Do better. Do better, man. Go down in your pocket.
Yeah, me can take my count out.
How much joke can I make? Take them up. Take them up. Cause I have to play thing and take my
I'll
phone.
be a
You
20
see
line.
you seen a school picnic and stuff?
What do you mean see the school picnic?
Me tell you some me run shop.
Let me count them out, not enough money so you know.
Take them up. Come on. Come on.
What do you mean come out?
This can't work. This cannot work. You don't have no more than me. You don't have no more than me.
No, this is enough money this is. Let me count it out now. I want the business to go on 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Mega call somebody to come take you out here.
What do you mean count?
Because you take this can't be business 6 grand.
Yes, and this is about $4 more. We are talking about.
A joke you take my phone? A joke you take my phone?
You know what? This is alright. This is everything good.
Come out and me keep this.
You can't keep
You
it.
waste my time. Come up here. You can't tell me that.
No, you can't keep
Want to
it.
bet you can't walk back through the lane? Come up here. Gigi, me should even agree for carrying
I
you.
don't understand where you're going with. This is a robbery. See our next business like must you call
Yes, yeah.
Eh?
Maybe. Come on, man.
So alright. So even one lap dance.
No, come on.
No, but you take my money.
Because you don't waste my time already. First you come and you take 10 minutes for you. I'm this and then you come in and you don't have enough money to throw silver. I prank me?
No, it means a prank. So and money this.
You have to man try to take them from you? Come on.
Alright.
You have iPhone, you can pay proper money to get where you are.
Give me
the phone and make we start it out.
No, this is a phone.
Give me the phone, make we start it out.
What do you mean give your phone and start it out?
Make we start it out.
Alright, start it first. Alright. Just, alright, give me back $1,000 I'm going.
Give me the phone.
Give me back $1,000 I'm going now.
Give me the phone.
Give me...
Small Samsung, that would be a good deal.
Just give me back $1,000 I'm
No,
going.
come on. No, but you waste my time, so you have to pay for my time, you know. You understand?
People like when
No, come on.
everything good, man.
Come on. What kind of crosses this will take up by myself?
You're thief!
Crosses.
Yo, look at Bush.
Where are you going with?
I have a story to tell you.
Boy, Babylon town you look shine.
Brother, I tell you say right now.
What going on with you now? What going on with you?
Come like a robbery I go on, brother.
Eh?
Yeah, man. That money, where you get that money from? Eh? You man take me money,
What
actually,
go on with
literally
you
take. Brother, I'm going there and share talk about, because I never go and hype it.
Look
That's
like
first
you
thing.
look like you do something when myself do, man. Because right now, nobody when me give link, never have no problem. Are you alone, me give link, and you come back to me now and put robbery to me now, like, but I send it to nobody with the robbery.
Yeah, but she tell me say she want more money. You tell me say 5,000. Me take out the 5,000 first, and then she talk about more. Me give her the 5,000.
You go there and I go like say you have money, man. And that go
Go on like me have money.
Yes.
So why me who not have money if you go let me have money? How people go and let me have money? Come in have money.
Listen what I said. Then me never send nobody yet.
Over
Down
there, sir.
And this I reach them. From then do what myself do, then get so.
You hear me, assistant?
So what's up with you? Me don't understand. What go on?
Call the seminar who you no money then, sir.
No catch up, sir. I want to sell it soon.
Yeah, but as me say, call the seminar who you no money. Because you send me to one
What you mean, sir?
what?
What?
Take on my money.
What is
You
someone
understand
a
me, I
mad man? Where's a while ago?
So just
call
call
it what?
Yeah, because so where you go call it then?
Bobby.
You send me go
Bobby.
to one woman and say,
Bobby.
give her that and you get that.
Bobby,
and
me
then
a
you
friend, you know. But me will make police lock up here, you know.
I feel what?
Don't tell me say me not get back my money because it's a second money now.
But you have to go split out.
Bobby, come out of my yard, Bobby.
Wait a minute.
I want my
Me
money,
come out
Bobby.
the yard,
Bobby.
but the squid
Bobby.
out.
Bobby,
Call it one.
listen me now, Bobby. Don't tell me no bonus. I'm the last money me give you. You tell me your situation, and I say, all right, I don't want I'll kill you. Me lend you my money and now you tell me say, no, Bobby, you're not right, man.
So
right.
how if you go then? How if you work out then?
Bobby,
Eh?
Bobby, come out of my yard, sir, and get me money can come give me. Next time I see you,
Look at Bush.
just I'm boss, don't call my name. Just carry my money come give me, sir. The next time I see you, make sure some money you come with. Take your hand off my car, boss, and go on, sir.
This is our car we have fixed so long, eh?
You know
What's
my
your car?
Me a sitting door.
Yeah, we sitting. No, nothing, this, sir.
Hold yourself.
Eh? Me no owe you.
yourself.
Briscoe.
Briscoe isn't here.
Briscoe not there.
No. What you want?
Eh, well, you know my thing going on. I tell myself, come and give me a second, man.
What you want now?
I sell stuff, you know. Good evening, good evening.
But me never order nothing from you.
But that's it, man. Take your time, man. And no matter order. Are you here today, you know? If you feel comfortable and sit down. Sit down.
Me no want to sit down.
You don't want to sit down?
Me want to stand up here where you sell me.
Alright, so me have the vehicle over there, so me park the vehicle over there with the pumpkin and yam and it's sitting there. So you know want yam and breadfruit.
What you say?
Breadfruit. So see planting them. Me sell like one of them for $300. You understand? But like what Briscoe, you know what I mean, now I'm support me, but I give them for $2.25.
Banana.
Planting, this is a planting. And that one are planting. A banana you want? You want banana? Eh?
Oh, you said what? Planting?
Planting, but if you want banana, I can find banana for you.
No, but you didn't say banana first, sorry. Guess me never hear good. You know, me no hear too well
A
sometimes.
planting, me say first, man.
A banana me did hear.
Banana here, me never want a banana figure, man. But if you want banana, I can get it for you. Just go in a room for some money and we will take out, you know, like me will find it for you if you want me to find it for you. You want me to find it for you? But then again, you have to spend some money today because you look like you're not really interested in buying. What time Briscoe come back here?
Bristol come various times, you know. Sometimes he come 5, sometimes he come 6, sometimes he come 7. Me don't know exactly when.
So for you, alright. I'm left for this one. So you say you're interested in a planting?
I don't want that thing. Neither planting or banana. Because me read your lips, a banana you did say first. Now you change this, say, a plant in your mouth, I say no. Not because me hard to hear, me read lips.
But I never say all of that, you know. Is that, yeah. So you say me, I say me, what you are saying, what me, I say, but me not say that.
Your mouth is so.
Alright, you make it do. When Briscoe forward, tell Briscoe to come link me for somebody case. Alright? I want you to have a wonderful day.
What you say?
When Briscoe forward, make Briscoe link me.
So me fi walk toward you?
No. Me never said that. Me never said that.
Oh, I hope you want to hug me. Me no want no hug. But me fi walk toward you. You bright out harder. How you take me for?
Something wrong with the ears them.
Your mouth say walk toward you.
Me?
Me no want you.
This your mouth here.
Your mouth is so, me see mouth. And the tongue in your mouth a wiggle and say toward.
Alright, have a wonderful day. Toward.
Galan. I'm about the business.
Something wrong with Briscoe, man.
Oh, banana. Why me can't believe it? The man him come say he must sell me banana. Banana.
How am you, Bobby?
Me say one man him come here talk about he must sell me banana.
What?
Banana.
When me man come here come talk about him and sell the banana? Which man come here?
No, Bobby. I think a Bobby in name, you know.
My friend Bobby, where?
Him same one.
Eh, where you say go on?
Say come here. Want me fi buy banana from him. Banana. And the only banana me know man sell woman you know how.
No, but me must say him sell food, you know. Him sell ground provision, you know. You sure not that he might try to sell you?
But me never tell him say me want banana, so how him would come and sell me banana?
No, but baby girl, me must say him sell them something there, you know. So you sure him never say oh, a banana, food banana, him can come sell you? Or what?
No, me not think say no ground provision he must sell me.
So what you say?
He must say must sell me banana. Then he must say room. Me reading lips, you know. Not because me can't hear properly. Me reading lips. He say room. Me see mouth, make it room. He just say, room. What he lips say room.
So him say banana and room.
Yes. Me know say me see say mouth see so. Now because sometimes me no hear good, me see what he
man,
say.
what kind of out hard and is that, man? We really I say Julie. But Bobby, really come try and call about him and give you a banana in a room.
That him say?
I'm mad. Which way him turn?
He left through the gate gone yeah.
I'm going to him right now. Me I go for him. Right now I'm going to go. Wait.
Damn bright out there.
Where my shit? I want my shit.
Banana room.
Where my shit?
What can go so? Eh? Banana room.
I want my shit. I can't find my shit.
I
can't find my shit. I'm going up, baby. Don't worry yourself. I'm going up there right now. Go sort it out. I'm going to deal with him.
Deal with him, matter man.
I'm going to deal with him.
Let me have some little dirty foot, barefoot girl. Eh? Crabbe. Where you take me from? You think me a crabbe? Look for me, nice, clean me. Well taken care of. Why would I want no other man banana? Eh? In a room?
Yeah, man, them still there, man. Them still there.
Bobby. What one?
Which guy want to? Hold on.
What do you mean by want to me?
Give me a second. So, yeah, man, you break for them there, man. You think you're ready for them, come for them. Alright?
I really wait upon Bobby.
Me call it back.
You call him back.
Bobby,
Bobby, I be your last call that you make, you know. Eh? How kind of style at me here really there up watch here, my youth? How you come on my yard, come bribe my woman? Eh? Boy, you buy front. What kind of style that?
Me?
Eh?
Briscoe, me?
I mean by me.
Who could I tell that, Briscoe?
Big man.
Eh?
Don't come going like you want come tell like, yo. My woman tell me say, no, brother. Say you come to her and give her this look like you want come put words to her and I use money, you know.
Me?
I mean by for you, my youth.
Briscoe, you me come link up and you did it. Who? Alright, first thing is first. Who tell her that? Who tell her that?
Big man, my woman tell me say how are you come link her and when you link her, she say oh yeah tell her about money business and have to forward with your my youth.
No. I have some misunderstanding.
What kind of misunderstanding general? What kind of style that big man?
No.
The other day come link me for your food, you know, what kind of money, what kind of bribe you try bribe me? Yo, you never know I go on a bit right now, flow me for flow it to all your own food.
Right.
You know?
Listen to me I say this. And if you understand this, because your woman sometimes she hard of hearing, and that's a problem. So she not hear me I say properly. And you know so she hard of hearing too. Me can't you come here as a friend, you come I'm going like you want to fling breakfast. I mean your brethren, you know. You feel so make a look at your woman.
What you mean?
No, I'm going to sell her some stuff. Yo,
sell her stuff.
What you mean? And she thinks me I talk about banana and sell her kind of your woman's with a thing, certain things smutty, and that's a problem. I'm going to go call you. Check your phone, Mr. Miss Company. Check your phone.
Yo, you probably slip up in and ring all my phone now, Bobby.
No
way I do it, no, Bobby.
Listen, man. Understand the circumstances what go on. We don't never do that. You think we don't do that? You don't do that to me? Eh?
Bobby,
you don't do that to me?
So where you want to go in a room with her for?
Which go in a room? I don't say that I'm in a room. I say go in a room for the money. To come buy the banana. That's all. I don't understand why she feel like say me I look her. I don't look her.
Yo, Bobby. No, you come down here come sell woman no banana, sell her no farmer fruit, you know. You hear me say, man, anytime you have fruit for drop off, man, you left it out of a shop, man, or call me.
Alright, know yourself. Misunderstand. That's all I tell you. Simple as that. Since put on my
make sure say a misunderstanding to you, know, Bobby, because, yo, them time you can't ramp around with my man, woman, you know.
Alright, my boss. If I say yes, I say yes.
Yeah, but man.
Tell her I say, if I a mistake and a misunderstanding, I'm sorry if I so. You understand me? I say, if it's offend anybody, apart from you, you know what I mean? Me sorry. But I can't disrespect my friend. You understand me? I say?
No sell her no more banana, man.
Me not sell more banana.
Remember, you know.
What am I telling
And
you?
carry half dozen breadfruit for them.
Make sure you have your money in your live cash, you know.
Okay.
Ready? Action! Oi there. I camera you touch? Oh.
think about that, bother me.
No, man. So you say?
Yeah, tell me properly. Yeah, but I know must still enough. So you say you're serious? Come on, me have money, I say we could have got some money.
Oh. No money. Sister, give me 5.
Yeah,
I mean, can we give her 5 first? Now, what I'm saying is when we go buy it and take it first, we give her 5,000 and more.
Yeah.
So some bag of kind for the bid and say, where's the counter?
Okay.
Sure, me. You think I stop your cup? I mean, so, take back for
So, hold on. You will start.
Start. Action.
Yeah. You see him again.
Bobby.
Stop here this time, man.
What? Yeah, fool just switching. No hot eye again.
Oh, you turn them harder.
Brother.
You see, camera me tell about him in G7 dog.
Terrible.
The key audio, key
Yeah,
hot.
Oh, I camera harder, you turn them.
No,
Yeah,
man, the
turn them,
microphone
two of
audio.
them.
And the camera audio. So,
You see
no matter
GH5
your show down.
you
Yo, we are
You
doing
see
it.
GH5?
You know, go,
You see
brother.
GH5? His audio could have whoop.
Oh,
When you go in a post, when you go in
Yeah,
a
man,
post,
you can't make it hot.
carry his
Can't
audio.
make it hot.
And the carry low, you carry
Got.
good, guy, big.
Yeah.
Cardi.
Yeah, some of them don't want them whoop.
Slightly hot. Yeah, pop. Yeah. Brother, I'm like that, man. And that's when I enter the film festival.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Ready?
Yo,
Why Bobby didn't turn on the time?
brother, I'm telling you say right now. Go back and wrap your one, brother. Yeah, man. That money, we get that money from. The woman that tell me about say, boy, ladies can't walk in that film and you not talk about it. Yes,
Hurry up.
Ready? Alright, have a wonderful day.
Galan, about your business.
Well, you get a white shot with us. Have a wonderful
I tell you for run him out. You see me I do this as a run him out now. I run me I tell you as a run him out, but yeah, just still.
Have a wonderful day.
Are you okay?
So 5.
This cannot do anything. Come. I'm going to waste my time confessing because I know say enough people don't listen for me. You mean talk to you?
So how much you want? A 5,000 sign?
Listen to me. You get the information from good source, not true. And them tell us how much money we carry, not true. You really bring 5 grand. This can buy my juice. Come out of my house.
So much more.
You need more money.
Like how much more, sir?
Tell me how much you have so that you can work. As of right now, this can work. You can't work. Do better. Do better, man. Go down in that pocket.
Yeah, the girl. Take my phone to
Say, oh, yeah, tell her about money business and forward with your mind, you.
No. I have some misunderstanding.
What kind of misunderstanding,
Yo.
general? What kind of style that big man?
No.
I just the other day come link me for your food, you know, what kind of money, what kind of bribe you try bribe me? Hey, Briscoe. Hey, yo, Bobby, know what you're doing, Bobby?
I didn't hear call her myself.
What are you going on?
No. I don't know.
But it,
You go on. Man, call his name.
Yeah, so you go buy for the man.
No, man. No, it's like make negotiate some business. What? Eh? Right now, I brainstorm. When you reach.
Ready.
Wait, yeah. Me have an idea. I want to put it together. Eh?
Yo, he's jumping.
Watch it boom. Yeah. Watch it boom drop, man. Watch it boom. Yeah, that man.
ready now, ready. Continue, ready.
Yo, Bobby.
Yo, you never know what going on, Bobby. Right now, flow it to why I don't want food. I mean,
This is something I said, listen. If you understand it, like woman sometimes she hire you and have that problem. So she now you me as a properly. And you know that she had a year too. You come here as a friend, you come and go like you want to flip bread with that. I mean, your virgin, you know. You feel me, look your woman.
I mean,
No,
I
I
mean,
mean, if you sell her some stuff. You know,
sell our stuff.
what you mean? And she thinks to me I talk about banana and sell her kind of. Your woman with that thing, certain things smutty, and that's her problem. I'm gonna go call you. Check your phone, Mr. Buddy. Check your phone.
Yo, I slip, you probably slip up in and ring all my phone now, Bobby.
No,
No way I do it, no, Bobby.
Listen, man. Understand the circumstances, what go on. We will never do that. You think we will do that? You don't do that to me? Eh?
Bobby, then
You
what?
don't do that to me?
So where you want to go in a room with her for?
Which going to which room? I said I'm on a room. I said go in a room for the money. You come buy the banana. That's all. I don't understand why she feel like me I look at her. I don't look at her.
No, Bobby. No, you come down here and come sell woman no banana, sell her no farm of fruit, you know. You know, sell man, anytime you have fruit we drop off, man, you left it out of the shop, man, or call me.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Misunderstand. That's all I'm tell you. Simple as that. Since you don't
And make sure say a misunderstanding to you know, Bobby, because yo, them time I can't ramp around with my man, woman, you know.
Alright, boss. If I say you say, I say you say.
Yeah,
But
man.
Tell her I say if a mistake and a misunderstanding, I'm sorry if I so. You understand me? If it's offend anybody, apart from you, you know what I mean? Me sorry. But I can't disrespect my friend. You understand me? I say.
I sell her no more banana,
I
man.
don't say number one.
Remember, you know. And carry half those breadfruit for me.
Make sure you have your money, you know, live cash, you know.
Sell her banana, think how sexy I thought was.
You subscribe yet.